Today we are going to see the second standard maths geometry. Let's get into the session.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn shapes in mathematics. Do you know what is shape? The outline of any object is called shape. Let us get into the lesson. It is always fun to look at various shapes. You can see shapes everywhere around you. The cookies, toys, chocolate, box, pencil, eraser, yes, they all have some shapes. There are some basic shapes you should know. One is 2D shape and another one is 3D shape. Let us discuss these shapes in detail. Children, let us see what are 2D shapes. Plain shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface such as paper. It has two measurements, length and breadth, so it is also known as two-dimensional or 2D shapes. Now we can see some of the 2D shapes here. Rectangle, square, circle, triangle. We will see the shapes in detail. Rectangle. Rectangle has four sides. In rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. Second one, square. The square has four sides. All sides of the square are equal in size. Third one is triangle. Triangle has three sides. The sides of the triangle equal or unequal. Circle. The circle has no sides. It's time to learn some other shapes. Yes, the 3D shapes. What is mean by 3D shape? Objects that occupy space are called solid shapes. Some examples of the solid shapes are given below. First one is cuboid, second cube, cylinder, sphere and cone. The first 3D shape is cube. See this picture? In the cube, all the sides of the cube are equal in size. The following objects are in the shape of cube. We can see so many objects around us in the shape of cube. Let's see some of them. It's Rubik's square, dice, toy box, gift box, or in the shape of cube. When we see the shapes, all the sides are equal in size. The next one is cone. Cone has round shape at the bottom and sharp at the top. Can you think of any object which are in the shape of cone? Yes, it's ice cream. All of us like ice cream. It's easy to remember the cone shape with a shape of ice cream. Some of the objects are in the shape of the cone. You can see the picture. These objects are round at the bottom and sharp at the top. For example, the party cap, loudspeaker, ice cream, and so on. The next shape is cuboid. In the cuboid, the opposite sides are equal. You can see so many things are in the shape of cuboid. Here we have some examples for cuboid. Building, cell phone, table, chalkboard, radio. Look at the cell phone. The opposite sides of the cell phones are equal. It is in a shape of cuboid. A cylinder is round and has a top and bottom in the shape of circle. The following objects are in the shape of cylinder. Look at the picture. I have given the 4 example. The first one is log, second one is cylinder, third one is water bottle, and the fourth one is drum. Look into the log. The log, the top and the bottom are circle in shape and the body is round in shape. We are going to see sphere. A sphere is the shape in space that is like the surface of the bowl. Yes, our earth is sphere in shape. Just look into these objects and observe the shape. The gooseberry, see the gooseberry? It is in the shape of sphere. Ball, sun, tomato, lemon, or in the shape of sphere. Let us recall what we have learned so far. Match the objects with their shape and names of the shape. One is done for you. Now, observe the picture and match with the shape and also with the shape name. Draw the outline of the objects. Using pencil, remove the objects and write the names of the shape formed. Here they have given 3 columns: 3D shaped objects, traced figure, name of the 2D shape. 3D shaped objects. First one, eraser, traced figure. On tracing the eraser, we can get the 2D shape rectangle. The second one is dice. The traced figure we can get is a square. The third one is a coin. When we place a coin and drawn the outline of a coin, we will get a shape. What the name of the shape? It's a 2D shape, circle. I hope everyone can able to identify the shapes around you. Thank you.
Students, I believe that you got an idea about the shapes. Thank you.